Hey, ever wondered how to make money in your sleep? Let me spill the tea on affiliate marketing. Feel like a boss and work whenever you want. All you need is Wi Fi to promote stuff you love, from fashion to fitness and everything in between. Time to turn your passion into some sweet cash. It's simple. Just share your favorite products from places like Amazon with your unique link. Every time someone buys through it, ka-ching! No inventory, no rush hour commuting, and guess what? It doesn't cost a dime to start. Say bye-bye to the corporate grind and hello to doing what you love. Big tip: work hard, promote more, earn more. The sky's the limit, no cap. Dream big, hustle harder for that sweet financial freedom. Ready to be your own boss and swim in that affiliate marketing dough? Start searching for products you vibe with, and let's get this money-making party started. Count on affiliate marketing to pave your way to the freedom you've always dreamed of. Cheers to chasing your goals and living your best life.